All right, this is now a tornado tag team match. And who's going to fill in to be the referee? I will, Jim Cornette. All right, be careful out there, Kurt. I will. Let's get him, Century. Yes, Batman. Ah. Ah. Here we go. Sinister Strange. Oh my God. Here we go. Here we go. I want to know where Bane is. Here we go. Here we go. Batman taking on Sinister Strange right here. Yeah. Dun, dun. All right. Here we go. Batman with the dive. I'm coming in. Hurry up. 1, 2, kick. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Kurt Angle's got to be careful because there's heroes and villains in this match. And Century and Vegeta are fighting out the ring still. It's over for you, Sinister Strange. Oh, wait a minute. What the ball? That guy again. With that weapon, whatever it's called. Pin him. Oh my gosh. Not this way. Roll over, Batman. 1, 2. Oh, Captain Marvel broke up the pin. What the hell? Huh? Yeah! Oh, my goodness gracious! Oh, that bitch! Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna finish off Batman myself. Oh my God, Batman. Going outside the ring, going after Sinister Strange again. And Century and Vegeta are in the ring now. This is a good fight right now, everybody. You are nothing to me. Yeah. Get up there. Oh my God. What is this man gonna do? Oh my God, I've never seen someone do that in the ring before. Oh my God. Could this be it? 1, 2, kick out. Stay down. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh my God. It's over for you, you wannabe superhero. No, it's not. Oh my God. So wait a minute. Oh, he dived out the ring on Vegeta. Here we go. Oh my God. What is Century gonna do now? Oh yeah. Pile driver onto that metal thing. This is good shit, everybody. Oh my God. He's got to put him back in the ring. Oh my God. But he just throws him. He's got to get him back in the ring to beat this guy. Oh my God. It's over for you, Vegeta. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. He reverses. Yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah. Oh, no, my God. He's going to go for a move again. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Not again. Not again. Yeah. Oh my God. Cover. 1, 2. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. He's got Vegeta. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Cover. 1, 2. Kick out. Oh my God. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. You hear the people that saying this is awesome. This is awesome. About these two strong beings going at each other. And they're out the ring again. Oh, I'm gonna take you up here. Oh my God. Oh, they're going up on here. Oh my God, I gotta see this. All right, Vegeta, it's over for you. No, it's not. You stupid hero. Oh, my foot. Oh, my foot. No. Oh, look like you lost your foot, huh? Go get it now. No. Oh my God. What am I about to say here? Get up, boy. Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is it. 1, 2, 3. It's over. It's over. Ring the bell. Oh my God! That was such a intense match. Oh my God! Wow. Oh, why did I have to lose? Century, good job, man. You did really good out there. Oh, thank you. Wait a minute. I gotta find Batman. Congratulations. You are awesome, Century. Thank you. But I gotta go find Batman right now. I think him and Sinister Strange are somewhere. I gotta find them. See you later. Man, I gotta tell you, Kurt, that was an awesome match. Yes, it was. This is the last match for today. Guys, can you help me? Nope. Sorry. Yeah, we don't like you. So, Kurt Angle, let's go get some lunch or something. Good idea.